Correct. Excellence Learning Center is a learning organization with ISO 9001. We are conducting variety of activities in the training and learning field. We conduct professional training programs, we conduct in-house training programs, we conduct open programs, we conduct certification programs. We are also in the consultancy. We also conduct summits, congress, and conferences regularly on various topics which are required for our industries and commerce. We believe that we are delivering value to all our customers and we are customer focused. Every year we are conducting at least one topic new as per our commitment for ourselves. And we are also doing corporate social responsibility. Take an example of Industry 4. This is not known by many people, but we are conducting evening program at free of cost at many places like Chamber of Commerce, Institution of Engineer, Institution of Management, and many places where the programs are free and maximum people can attend and understand what is happening in the next 5 years. I think it is our responsibility, in addition to our normal activities, to educate the people around us. And this is necessary from the forthcoming point of view, the changes which are going to take place.